Hi guys, this is Ravi and you are listening to me on the Nifty BN channel. Today is Wednesday, May 5th, 2021. Welcome to the latest episode of the post-market analysis series where we would be analyzing the equity and derivatives data and try to assess the range and market positioning for the upcoming day. Want to meet like-minded traders and discuss option strategies, adjustments and more? Just type in Discuss Nifty in your Telegram search box and join the friendly trader community. Buoyed by positive global markets and strong performance of pharma and financial stocks, post the RBI Governor statement in the morning, the Nifty 50 index on Wednesday made a bullish candle on the daily chart. The short-term trend of Nifty continues to be range-bound, within a high-low band of 14,150 to 15,050 levels. India VIX fell 1.05 points or 4.56% from 23.01 to 21.96. VIX cooling down from highs could give some stability to the market, but it needs to hold below 20 level to again be able to create a bullish bias. All the broad market indices closed higher, with the Nifty Next 50 and Nifty Midcap 100 indices gaining 574.75 points and 242.3 points respectively. Pharma stocks dominated the gainers list on the Nifty 50 index, with Lupin, Aurobindo Pharma, Cadila Healthcare, Torrent Pharma, and Alkem Laboratories rising 13.71%, 7.08%, 5.78%, 4.66%, and 3.98% respectively. Pharma stocks again, along with banking stocks, dominated the gainers list on the Nifty 50 index. Punjab National Bank and Bandhan Bank were the only stocks in the Bank Nifty index which ended with losses. Punjab National Bank was the most active security by volume, while Lupin was the most active security by value. Buoyed, SR Shipping, Kotari Products, TIL, and SIL Investments were among the top volume gainers on Wednesday. Nearly 97 stocks hit their 52-week highs and 8 stocks hit their 52-week lows on the NSE today. City Union Bank, Power Grid Corporation of India, Page Industries, Tech Mahindra, HDFC Life Insurance Company, Vedanta, Infosys, and TCS were the F&O stocks that had more than 50% delivery volumes. High delivery volume suggests large buying interest. 76 stocks witnessed long build-up. A price rise with the rise in open interest suggests long build-up. The top 10 stocks where long positions are building up are Vedanta, Aarti Industries, Lupin, SRF, BHL, Granules India, BEL, Dr. Lal Path Labs, Cipla, and Glenmark Pharma. 18 stocks saw short build-up. A fall in the price with the rise in open interest suggests short build-up. The top 10 stocks where short positions are building up are Bandhan Bank, M&M Financial Services, Alembic Pharma, Godrej Properties, IRCTC, Apollo Tyres, Shriram Transport Finance Company, Punjab National Bank, SBI Life Insurance Company, and Max Financial Services. Only 6 stocks witnessed long unwinding on Wednesday. They are Siemens, Bajaj Finance, Asian Paints, TVS Motor Company, Nippon Life India Asset Management, and HUL. And finally, the top 10 stocks where short covering is seen are Voltas, Bank of Baroda, the Ramco Cements, SAIL, RBL Bank, Bata India, TCS, Ambuja Cements, LIC Housing Finance, and L&T Infotech. Now to the FII DII data analysis. As always, let's start with the retail investors. The retail investors were bullish on both the index futures and the stock futures. They added 7,644 net longs in index futures and 3,005 net longs in stock futures, but they were bearish on both stock and index options. They added a huge amount of shorts in index call options and also added a huge amount of longs in index put options. They exhibited the same behavior in stock options also, as they added a small amount of shorts in stock call options and also added longs in stock put options. Now to domestic institutional investors. The DIs were bearish both in the cash market and in the F&O counter on Wednesday. They added net short positions in index futures, stock futures, and stock call options, and also added net long positions in index put options. Now to the key players, the FIs. The FIs were slightly bearish on index futures, but bullish on stock futures. They were net bullish on index options, as they added less number of shorts in index call options, but added a huge number of shorts in index put options. They were neutral though on stock options, as they added about the same amount of net shorts in stock call options and stock put options. And finally to pros. The pros were bearish on both index futures and stock futures, but they were overtly bullish on both index and stock options, as they added net longs in call options and net shorts in put options. Now to the cash market. Both FIs and DIs were net sellers in the cash market on Wednesday. Foreign institutional investors net sold Indian stocks worth rupees 1110.5 crore, while domestic institutional investors net sold shares worth rupees 240.61 crore on May 5th, as per provisional data available on NSE. The FIs sold equities in 13 out of 17 sessions. They have sold over rupees 8,637.4 crore worth of equities over the last 4 sessions, but the selling is tapering down. The selling has to dry up if we have to see a good recovery in the markets. Now let's look at the option chain of the May 6th weekly expiry. Let's start with Nifty. Maximum put open interest was seen at the 14,500 strike price, while maximum call open interest was seen at the 15,000 strike price. The change in open interest is highest at the 14,600 strike on the put side and at the 14,850 strike on the call side. Huge amounts of fresh shorts were added in the 14,550 to 14,600 zone on the put side. This suggests that this zone might act as an immediate support on any corrections. While on the upside, immediate resistance exists at 14,750 levels, where there seems to be a confluence of resistance points. Now to Bank Nifty. Maximum put open interest was seen at the 32,500 strike price, while maximum call open interest was seen at the 33,000 strike price. The change in open interest is highest at the 32,500 strike price on the put side and is highest at the 33,400 strike on the call side. So more or less, we are likely to settle between the 32,500 to 33,500 range for this expiry. Fresh put writing was seen at the 32,400 to 32,700 zone. This indicates the 32,500 level might act as a cushion on further declines, while on the upside, key hurdle exists at 33,000 and 33,500 levels. As many as 26 companies will come out with their results tomorrow, with the prominent names being Hero MotoCorp, Tata Consumer Products, Coforge, Bombay Burma Trading Corporation, and Adani Transmission. This will also add to the intraday volatility. Thank you for watching. Please post any questions you have in the comment section. Also, do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. To find us on Twitter, Telegram and Facebook, use the username NiftyBN. Also, we post some of our trades to the community tab, so do not forget to check that from time to time.